So once you have called your packages, sometimes it's useful to know what exact arguments they take, or if you have questions or you want to see the documentation, how to get some more information about it. So what I'm going to do over here is call that other package I was talking about earlier called read Excel. This is a package that you would use to read in Excel files. You'll be using it later on. But let's say I called it. I know that's the package I need to use to read in my Excel files, but I forget exactly what arguments it takes. What I can do is do a question mark. So notice how I started with a question mark and I'm typing my package name. If I run that line of code, what's going to happen is down over here now, it switched my tab to the help tab. So it was on the plots, now it's on help. And it gives you some information about that package. So it says, what it does, who helped to write it, and it gives some useful links. So I could click on these links and get some more information about it. I could also, if I wanted to see the source code, I could go down here. Don't want to do that. If I do 2 question marks, so starting with 2 question marks here, and run that line, then I get the R base kind of package, what I want to do. And so these are the functions contained within that read Excel file. And so maybe specifically I'm like, hey, this is what I need to use. I need this read_Excel file. I don't remember what arguments I'm supposed to use. So I click on this. And if I see up here at the top, it's saying this is an actual R documentation file for the read Excel function coming from the read letter XL package. That's what these little squiggle brackets are telling you. It says, okay, this is what it does. And here, right here, is how it's used. These are all the potential arguments I could feed to this package. So at the base, at the very base level, I need to type in read_Excel, my parentheses, and a path name. So I could do that and just call it a day. But maybe I'm like, well, wait a second. I know that I have multiple sheets and I don't want that first sheet. I want sheet number 4. So then I just have to add this argument. So I can do that. I can add sheet equals whatever the sheet name is. But this tells you kind of what those arguments are, what it's expecting, and stuff like that. So it's very useful when you're like, I know I need this particular function. I just don't remember the specifics of what I'm supposed to tell it. Happens to me all the time still. Like it is far too much for any human being to ever remember. So you can use either of these 2 kind of question mark or double question marks to get some information right here in your help window. You can also type in the search bar. Sometimes it's nicer just to stay in the R environment so then you can, keep on working. You can also very easily type in that read Excel into a Google search or search engine of choice. And it'll probably like the very first link will pop you up the information that you need. But that's an easy way to get some help on the package that you're using within your R environment.